The KIPVVO V3 Robot Vacuum&Mop features an impressive 5,000 Pascal suction power, making it highly efficient at cleaning various surfaces such as hard tiles, low-pile carpets, and hardwood floors. Users benefit from smart control capabilities through a dedicated app, allowing easy scheduling, suction adjustments, and mode changes, while also offering voice command compatibility with Google Assistant and Alexa. This versatile device combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping functions, providing multiple cleaning modes to address diverse household cleaning requirements. Its ultra-thin design at just under 3 inches allows it to clean under low furniture effortlessly, aided by advanced navigation technology and sensors. The KIPVVO V3 is equipped with a robust battery that delivers up to 120 minutes of cleaning time, automatically returning to its dock when needed. Backed by a 2-year warranty and reliable customer support, this robot vacuum offers both durability and peace of mind.